now that we have entered into a new 365, make this a year of becoming your best self. If you have had trouble keeping up with your New Year's resolution, try a lifestyle change. A lifestyle change will keep you more focused, grounded, and centered on achieving your goals. This new 365 days will keep you true to yourself. Have you committed to improving yourself and becoming a better person? Repeat after me. I am destined to a life change that is better for me. I am committed to my growth. I am becoming a better person. Namaste.